ABCs are so easy. Let's write the letter A. Start at the top and draw a line slanting down to the left. Go back to the top and draw another line slanting down to the right. Draw a short line across the middle to connect the two slants. A is for alligator. Alligator. Alligator starts with the letter A. The next letter is B. Draw a straight line down. Draw a curve starting from the top to the middle. Then, draw another curve from the middle to the bottom. B is for ball. Ball starts with B. Okay, let's write the next letter. C. Start at the top, pull back and around. C is for camel. Camel starts with C. Well done! Let's do another one. Let's write the letter D. Start by drawing a straight line down. Then go back to the top and make a big curve outward and down to meet the bottom of the line. D is for dolphin. Dolphin starts with D. Good job, kids! Let's write the letter E. Start by drawing a straight line down. Draw 3 horizontal lines across, one at the top, across in the middle, and across at the bottom. E is for elephant. Elephant starts with E. Let's write the letter F. Start by making a straight line down. Then, draw a horizontal line across the top to the right. And another one across the middle to the right. F is for fish. Fish starts with F. Time to do the next letter G. Start at the top, curve around like a big C. Then, draw a small vertical line down. Then, draw a small horizontal line to the right. G is for giraffe. Giraffe starts with G. Next, we're going to learn the letter H. Start by making a straight line down on the left side. Then, draw another straight line down on the right side. Finally, draw a horizontal line connecting the 2 vertical lines in the middle. Now, we have the letter H. H is for horse. Horse starts with H. The next letter is the letter I. Start by drawing a straight line down to the bottom. I is for iguana. Iguana starts with I. Let's write the next one, the letter J. Start by making a straight line down. Then, curve the line up to the left at the bottom. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish starts with J. Let's do another one. Letter K. Start by drawing a straight line down. Then, draw a slanting line from the top of the line down to the middle. Next, draw another slanting line from the middle, out and down. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo starts with K. Well done, kids! Let's write the next letter, the letter L. Start by making a straight line down. Then, draw a horizontal line across the bottom. L is for lion. Lion starts with L. Okay, kiddos, let's jump to the next one, the letter M. Start by making a straight line down. Next, go back to the top and make a slanted line down towards the middle. Then, slant up again. Finally, draw another straight line down to the bottom. M is for monkey. Monkey starts with M. Let's write the next letter, the letter N. Start by making a straight line down. Next, from the top, draw a slanted line down to the right. Finally, draw another straight line up from the bottom of the slanted line. N is for nest. Nest starts with N. Let's write the letter O. Start at the top and draw a big round circle that curves all the way back to the starting point. O is for octopus. Octopus starts with O. The letter P. Start by making a straight line down. Then, go back to the top and make a curve that goes to the right and back down halfway. P is for panda. Panda starts with P. Well done, kids! Can you guess the next one? Yes, you're right. Letter Q. Start by drawing a large circle, like you're writing an O. Then, add a small diagonal line going from the bottom of the circle out to the right. Q is for quail. Quail starts with Q. Let's do another one. The letter R. Start by making a straight line down. Then, go to the top and draw a small curve to the right, going halfway down. Finally, add a diagonal line from the middle of the curve down to the bottom. R is for rooster. Rooster starts with R. Let's write the next one. Letter S. Start by making a curved line that goes to the right and down, then curve it back to the left. It's like drawing a snake. S is for snake. Snake starts with S. Time for the next letter. Letter T. Start by making a straight line down. Then go to the top and draw a horizontal line across the top. T is for tiger. Tiger starts with T. Let's move on to the next letter. Letter U. Start at the top, curve down and around like a big bowl, and come back up to the top on the other side. U is for urchin. Urchin starts with U. The letter we're going to do next is the letter V. Start by slanting down from the top left to the bottom. Then slant up from the bottom to the top right. V is for van. Van starts with V. Next letter is the letter W. Start by making a line down at a slant. Then go back up. Down again. Finally, go back up, forming a zigzag shape. W is for watermelon. Watermelon starts with W. Let's write the next letter, the letter X. Start by making a diagonal line from the top left to the bottom right. Then hop back to the top right and draw another diagonal line down to the bottom left. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish starts with X. And the next letter is the letter Y. Start by making a diagonal line down to the middle. Hop back to the top and make another diagonal line down to meet the first. Then draw a straight line down from the point where the diagonal lines meet. Y is for yak. Yak starts with Y. Finally, the last letter, the letter Z. Start by making a straight line across the top. Then, draw a diagonal line down to the bottom left. Finally, make another straight line across the bottom. Now you have an uppercase Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra starts with Z. Wow, superstars! Having fun, bunnies? Click that subscribe button for more learning and fun. See you in our next fun adventure. Bye-bye!